All right, today we get to see, oh, look at this, our whole new stair railing. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? And today we had the floor guys in here already. It's before 9. And we talked about how we're gonna cut around the bottom of the stair. But it's just, we'll see it from all sides now. It's just lovely. What a nice change. And now that we have everything, I'll step back because we have all of the ceiling. Before there was this junk drop ceiling and it actually really chopped up the space. And believe it or not, we'll run the floor the long way, which will go all the way into the hall. And this is just pretty spectacular. Can't wait to see this finished. Yep, we're gonna sand the treads. We'll take off the carpet. We'll put new carpet in eventually, but what a difference a day makes. And as you see, we come up here, it's pretty spectacular. Wow, wow, wow. Love this stair. Ciao for now.